Hello everyone, my name is Mojgan Sadat Shojaei. I am a PhD candidate in biology from Shiraz University in Iran. First of all, thank you very much for giving me the opportunity for a recovery session. My presentation is about survey of mites subclass Acari in some caves of Fars province, Iran. At the beginning of my presentation, I would like to talk briefly about the subclass Acari. The Acari or Acarina are a taxon of arachnids that contains mites and ticks. More than 55,000 species of mites and ticks are already described. Number of undescribed species may reach about 20-fold, as mite fauna in most of the world regions are still poorly explored. These organisms are very diverse due to their very diverse diets. For example, some are quipeds, some are vectors of plant viruses, some are vertebrate and invertebrate parasites, and some of them can be used as biological control agents. This figure shows the morphological diversity of some species of these mites. According to Kranz and Waters classification in 2009, the subclass Acari is divided into two superorders, Acariformes and Parasitiformes. Superorder Acariformes is divided into two orders, Trombidiformes and Sarcoptiformes. The superorder Parasitiformes is divided into four orders, Polyacaridae or Notostigmata, order Ixotidae or Metastigmata, order Gammastidae or Mesostigmata, and order Holotridae. With the exception of order Ixotidae, which is shown in blue, the members of the other orders, which are shown in red, are all in the mite group. Members of the order Ixotidae are in the group of ticks. Mites are among the most diverse and successful of all invertebrate groups. They have exploited a wide array of habitats, and because of their small size, go largely unnoticed. They are found in fresh and salt water, in the soil, in forests, pastures, crops, ornamental plants, thermal springs, and caves. Now we need to know what a cave is. A cave is a natural void in the ground, specifically a space large enough for a human to enter. The formation and development of caves can occur over the course of millions of years. The great biodiversity found in cave environments is because of the different niches. In many studies about ecosystems, the caves are not taken into consideration. So far, no comprehensive research has been done on mite communities in the cave habitats of Iran. This study examines the presence of mites in 10 caves in Fars province, Iran. Sampling was done from October 2020 to May 2021 from Sahlak 1, Sahlak 2, Tadovan, Zakaria, Dalkhun, Shafaq, Dehziyarat, Shoparak, Bibikar, and Kavar caves. In each cave, the specimens were collected from three given parts of the cave, which are named as follows: endogean or photic zone or entrance, parahypogean or twilight zone, hypogean or aphotic zone. As shown in the schematic, there is sunlight at the endogean or entrance of the cave. The temperature is variable and there is some vegetation. At the parahypogean or twilight zone of the cave, the temperature changes are less and vegetation is at the minimum. There is no light at the hypogean or aphotic zone of the cave, and the temperature is constant there. Sampling was done randomly from the soil or bed guano or both as a mixture on the bottom of each cave. After that, the bags containing the samples were transported to the entomology research lab at the biology department of Shiraz University. Also, we used bellows funnels to extract the mite specimens. After examining the samples extracted from the three parts of each cave, it was found that in most cases in this study, the abundance and the diversity of obtained mites from parahypogean parts were more than that from endogean and hypogean parts of the caves. It was also observed in some cases that no mite specimens were extracted from the soil of the caves with poor animal fauna. So it seems that the more the biodiversity of the cave and the richer the fauna of other animals, especially bats and invertebrates, the more the abundance and diversity of cave mites. For example, in the following images, a mite colony from a cohort Astigmatina can be seen on the host of the genus Flaps of the order Coleoptera of the family Tenebrida. Based on the results obtained, it can be stated that in caves with rich biodiversity, more diverse microhabitats will be available to different groups of mites. Also, in these kinds of caves, biological interaction with other cave-dwelling animals is more likely. Further studies are underway by the authors, and it's recommended to study other biological aspects of caves in Iran. Thank you for your attention.